So in this video I'm going showing you something related to tech. So in this video we are going to tell about how to make screenshots in Telegram without downloading the file. So we can make up to 10 screenshot and individual screenshot is possible, and several options are available in this. So we first open Telegram, and it's a bot actually. So we download, so we take the bot file. Firstly, search for screenshot bot in the bot section. So screenshot generator bot, and so we are going to search the first one, which is the screenshot generator bot, and we are going to take it. So I have once taken this. So firstly we go to start, then we go to start, and after that we have to upload the file from the destination. It's not regardless of size, but only one single file is possible. So get to the first file, and it's showing. I give the option for 10 screenshot. So it's starting, waiting for 10 screenshots from. I have uploaded a 75 MB file, which is from my personal directory. Okay, and it's take some time. It's regarding of not our network connection. It will generate 10 files, so I given for taking 10 files. Just wait for some time. Okay, let me wait. So we have generated 8. There are alternative screenshot files available, but okay, that's 10 screenshots available generating. Now okay, just wait. Now that's available, and I'm going to download it. So without downloading any the file, we can know which is the content of this file. Some fake files are coming on Telegram, so we can use this method to show is it true or the same file, and without downloading we can make screenshots. So thanks for watching. Subscribe for this video.